guys, I'm here today to show you guys how to upgrade your RAM for your Lenovo laptop G50. And if you have a 2 gigs RAM and you want to go to 4 or 8 gig slot, this video is for you. So let's get into it. First thing first, you want to unscrew the 3 screws at the bottom in the front of the laptop. Alright, once you remove the 3 screws in the front, you're going to grab the bottom cover, slide it towards the front slightly, and you're going to see like you can't move it anymore, and you're going to see an offset right there between the plastic, and that's enough. Now you're going to just go ahead and lift it up. Now right here, the RAM is right in front by the CPU, and there's one empty space. The thing about this model is that it's hard to upgrade because they didn't install the secondary DIMM space in there. The plastic space is, but there's no jack in there to install the other RAM. So the only options you guys have is to remove this RAM. Before you do anything, just remove the battery. So go ahead and unlock the battery. And twist it out. Now let's go back to the battery. If you want to upgrade your RAM, you have to replace the RAM that you have. So just pull these 2 triggers outward, and the RAM is just gonna pop open in 45-degree angle. Don't yank the RAM up, you're gonna break the jack. Just in 45-degree angle, you're gonna pull it towards the battery side. Alright, this is a 4 gig RAM, it says right in there. And this is a DDR3 RAM. If you want to upgrade, the only options you have is to get a 1 DIMM 8 gig RAM, and they are 16 gig RAMs, but they are way expensive. So the higher you can go, I would suggest is an 8 gig RAM. Once you get your new RAM, you want to place it in. Make sure there's a opening here. The crack right between the RAM slot right there has to match the crack right there on the jack. So if I put it the other way around, it's not gonna go in because the crack doesn't match. So you have to flip it over and make sure. And you're gonna put it in a 45-degree position or 30-degree position in. While you're pushing it inward 35 and push it down, you're gonna hear the click sound while I push down right there. That means the RAM is in the place. That's pretty much all done. Now what you wanna do? Grab the battery, place the battery in, lock the battery, grab the bottom cover, push the bottom cover, put it down and push it inward, especially towards the hard drive side, because there's a foam right at the back of this plastic right there. That's why you need to do a little push down first. And then while you're pushing it down slowly, gently pull it towards the battery side, slide it. And now you can put the last 3 screws in. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, you know where to leave them. And if you guys subscribe, it really helps me out to make more videos and answer any questions that you guys have. Also take requests. And this is how you change your RAM or upgrade your RAM for your Lenovo G50 laptop. Thanks for watching, guys.